respected Executive Director Rajni Joshi ma'am, Principal Dr. Jyoti Chaturvedi ma'am, Head Coordinator Mrs. Preeti Fabiani ma'am, teachers, my fellow schoolmates and parents. Greetings to all from Kakubai Pike School. I am Niharika from Standard 10th and I am the host today for the program on World Population Day. Today, the whole world is celebrating the World Population Day. The World Population Day is a United Nations initiative and is celebrated on 11th of July every year. The reason why the whole world celebrates this day is to create awareness about the population explosion and to emphasize the importance of reproductive health. Population is a very important issue and we all need to understand the adverse effects on human beings. Friends, population growth limits the chances of meeting the basic needs. The spirit of open communication and empowerment of women will be the key to successful solution to many problems. Friends, the road may seem long for India, but it is not an impossible destination to arrive at. During the course of our today's journey, we shall hear to the views from my fellow classmates whom I shall call one by one, calling first ओस की बूंदों से शीतल और शांत है ये ओस की बूंदों से शीतल और शांत है ये and is liked by all. Coming up to present her views on the World Population Day, the student from class 10, the soft-spoken Niharika Mason. Greetings to all. This is Niharika Mason of Standard 10 from Kakubai Pike School. I am asked by my teachers to say a few words on why World Population Day is celebrated. As we all know that world population is increasing day by day and we human beings need to recognize their rights and therefore there is a need to raise awareness about the population. Overpopulation results in many problems like food shortage, poverty, water shortage, shelter problems, unemployment problems, etc. The decision to celebrate World Population Day was made in 1989 when the world population reached 5 billion. This decision was made by United Nations Development Programme. They warned about the effects of the increasing population. Today, this world has about 7 billion population and it is an alarming situation. The aim of celebrating World Population Day is to resolve the issue of the increasing population of the world and to create awareness about the effects of increase in population and it needs to control the increased population. By controlling the population, it does not mean killing someone, but it means controlling the issues which are created by the overpopulation problem issues. There is a need to protect the rights of living human beings. The human population is facing problems in order to get safe shelter, safe food and water. If this world has a controllable population, then these all problems can be resolved. Different programs are organized to create awareness to control the growing population. I would like to quote the words of Mr. Galton Hardin. A finite world can support only a finite population. Therefore, population growth must eventually equal zero. That is, the resources available to survive by human beings need to be at par with the population. Shri APJ Abdul Kalam sir said, almost half of the population of the world lives in rural regions and mostly in a state of poverty. Such inequalities in human development have been one of the primary reasons for unrest and, in some parts of the world, even violence. So I conclude my speech and take a leaf from you with these lines by Roger Bankston. The point of the population stabilization is to reduce or minimize mice. ये कविताएं तो नहीं लिखते, ना ही ये कवि हैं, पर नाम है इनका कवि. So coming over to speak a few words on the World Population Day is Kavit Jaiswal from Standard 10.
Good morning everyone. My name is Kavit Rajesh Jaiswal from KPS class 10. I am here to discuss about world population and India's population rate. Here we start with world population rate. UNPEP, United Nations Population Estimate Projection, prepared the report of world population. This data was given by Department of Economics and Social Affairs of United Nations according to 2019, and world population rate is 1.1% change per annum according to 2019. Let us talk about India's population rate. Office of Registration General and Report and Census Commissions of India prepared report of India. India population rate is 1% change per annum. Thank you everyone.
She is not a supernatural power but a very naughty and a beautiful personality, making everyone laugh. Her name is Divine and we call her Krisha. So coming up next with her views on World Population Day is the lovely girl from Standard 10, Krisha Prajapati.
Good morning respected parents, teachers and all my dear friends. I am Krisha of class 10th going to give speech on World Population Day. World Population Day is a United Nations initiative that the entire world celebrates on 11th July every year. Furthermore, the aim of this day is to create awareness about the exploding world population and the importance of reproductive health. Moreover, the increasing population is a major concern in countries like India and China. In 2018, World Population Day observes the theme Family Planning is a Human Right. History of World Population Day. This day was first celebrated in year 1989. Moreover, the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Program initiated it. Because of the population toll in the 1987, at the time the population of the world has already crossed 5 billion mark, and due to which the exploding world population has certainly become a serious cause of concern for the whole world. Thus, the UN initiated this program to combat the issues of the growing population and raise awareness among the public about the same. Moreover, noteworthy, a vast scale of World Population Day focuses on the need and importance of controlling the increasing population of the world. However, the World Population Day 2018 emphasizes on the importance of family planning. In 2018, the program has the slogan, Family Planning is a Human Right. In addition, for the Times, it gives a response to 50-year-old legislation that says that if they want, then women and girls can focus to have multiple pregnancies placed too close. Importance of World Population Day. In 2019, the primary aim of this initiative is to increase awareness about reproductive health problems among the people. Moreover, this is because of fact that the large number of pregnant women yield the poor reproductive health. According to research, every day 800 women die during the process of birthing a baby. Hence, the primary aim and importance of the day are the more and more people to know and boost their reproductive health. Also, it pays attention to the importance of family planning. Most noteworthy World Population Day celebration of awareness is the one of the tries to get people to know and learn about population issues. Behind population issues includes like human rights, family planning, right to health, gender inequality, babies' health, child marriage, sex education, use to contraceptive, etc. Now I would like to conclude that The primary aim of World Population Day is to create awareness about production related issues. Also, it empowers the youth generation to make them aware of sex education and many more things. Thank you and have a nice day.
पृथ्वी की तरह स्थिर है, कक्षा में विजयी, थोड़ी सी सीरियस और थोड़ी सी मस्त मौला है ये लड़की। तो आ रही है अपने विचारों को व्यक्त करने कक्षा 10वीं की छात्रा निकिता कुमारी।
Human use, population and technology have reached that certain stage where Mother Earth no longer accepts our presence with silence. With this quote, I, Nikita Kumari of class 10, presents you some of the major steps that the government has taken to limit the population of India to such an extent that we are left with resources for our future generations also. Population control come under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, with family planning services provided through the free health delivery system. Main strategy is to persuade people on an individual basis to accept the small family norm by a wide range of advertising and educational efforts. Government has also made many efforts to make people aware of seriousness of control of population. India is the first country which adopted an official family planning in first 5-year plan for 1950, such as first National Population Policy 2000, second National Welfare Program 1951, third Postpartum Program in 1969, fourth National Population Commission in 2005. It was about the late 90s and 20 starting, but still there was a very minor effect of these policies, and thus the population of India reached sky high. In today's date, India is the second most populous country after China. Keeping this in mind, our current Prime Minister Narendra Modi has also introduced us with some of the family planning policies that could help us to stable population, so that we can raise the people above poverty lines and meet the requirement of food of the people, especially the people living in slums or the poor ones. Government has also released the population control bill. It states that they shall promote small family norms by offering incentive in taxes, employment, education, etc. to its people who keep their family limited to 2 children, and shall withdraw every concession from and deprive such incentives to those not adhering to small family norm to keep the growing population under control. This policy do come with many benefits such as educational benefits, taxation cuts, home loans, free healthcare and better employment services and opportunities. The 2019 Population Control Bill also proposed that they will introduce penalties for couples not adhering to the two-child policy, such as debarment from contesting in elections and ineligibility for government jobs. Government also control the population by other measures, as it promote delayed marriages for girls after 20, promote small family norms, promote maternal and child health care, and promote more adoption of children from orphanages. These all measures will help in reducing infant mortality rate and birth rate, and sets the minimum age for marriage for girls. Population can also be controlled by spread of education, bringing more employment to the people in rural and urban areas, and also by increasing standard of living. It might create new ideas for family planning. By applying these measures, the population of the country can be stabled. These planning policies and steps could really help us to control the population of India, as it is very drastically increasing day by day. Establishment of these rules would definitely help us to regulate the population, and soon our country will have more better condition to live in. Atal Bihari Vajpayee once said, "Population needs to be stabilized for sustainable development." With this quote, I here conclude this topic. Thank you and have a nice day.
We have heard about the World Population Day from the students of our school. And now please fasten your seat belts and watch the lovely presentation of World Population Day by Icha Upadhyay from Standard 10, who will also explain her post.
Greetings of the day. My name is Icha Upadhyay of class 10 and I am here to present you my drawing on World Population Day. As you can see, this is my poster for the World Population Day. As we all know, we celebrate World Population Day to raise awareness about global population issues. I have shown my views on this topic through my drawing. The drawing in the middle shows how diverse the world is with a lot of people, and there's all happiness and greenery filled with flowers. But the drawing in the left shows another meaning. Due to overpopulation, there is not enough land for people to live and how the situation is becoming difficult. Below it is the message about this situation, which says more people on the planet means less space for each of us. The drawing in the right shows how the overpopulation is leading to the depletion of resources and how it has been exploited and not being enough for such growing population. Below this is the message about the situation, which says increasing population means overexploitation of resources. As we all are aware of the problems created due to such fast growing population, we should try to solve such problems and make our earth a beautiful place. Thank you.
Thank you, Icha. And now I would like to present you all some beautiful posters prepared by my friends Dipesh Berwal, Dev Sarathia, Sakshi Kumari, Riya Singla, and Jhalak Singh. So let's watch their creativity. It was a lovely poster presentation, and I'm sure all of you would have enjoyed it and understood the message my friends wanted to communicate to you all on the World Population Day. Coming up next are Anurag and Kunal of Standard 10th with the slogans on World Population Day.
Too many people count down to disaster.
Good evening all of you. My name is Anurag Singh from class 10 of Kakubhai Parekh School. Here I am going to tell you two slogans on World Population Day. Earth cannot carry heavy load for long, so think about population control. Second, Earth is our home. Keep it clean, happy and less crowded.
We heard the views from our friends. Thank you all for sharing your views. The world population is unevenly distributed across the globe, and the Asian continent holds almost 60% of the population of the world. China being the highest populated country. When we talk of Asia, then India, our own country, is also facing the same issue of population, and the Indian government has been emphasizing and have taken measures to curb this problem. The slogans "Hum do, hamare do" means one family, two children, and the other one "Chota parivar, sukhi parivar" meaning small family, happy family, has been widely promoted. Various NGOs are spreading awareness and educating the people of India. So, after seeing all the presentation by my friends, we all might have understood the importance of World Population Day. Before I take leave of you and say goodbye, I would like to say we need to decrease the growth rate of our global population. Our Mother Earth can't support anymore. Empower people, develop nation, control population and celebrate this World Population Day. Take care of the children that we already have instead of increasing the population. Wish you a very happy World Population Day. Thank you and have a nice day.